Question 6. 6 less than a number is equal to 1 more than twice the number. What is the number? So we don't know what our number is, so let's call it something different from x this time, because we always call it x. So let's call our number p. And less than this number, so we want 6 less than p. So 6 less than p, well, that's going to be p minus 6. And we know this is going to be equal to 1 more than twice the number. So let's just look at this part here, twice the number. So twice the number is going to be the number multiplied by 2. So that is 2 times p. And 1 more than that is going to be plus 1. So now we can go about solving this equation. So there's a couple of steps here. So we want to get all the p's on one side. So if we get rid of this p on the left hand side here, we can subtract p from the left hand side. But to keep our equation balanced, we need to subtract p from the right hand side as well. So what we get then is, well, on the left hand side, we're left with just the negative 6. And that's going to be equal to 2p minus p plus 1. So we have negative 6 is equal to, well, 2p minus p is just p, and then we have our plus 1. So now we need to get rid of this plus 1 here on the right hand side, because we want to be left with just p on one side of the equation. So if we subtract 1 from the right hand side, well, that'll get rid of the 1, but remember we have to do the same thing to the other side. So what we get then is we get minus 6, and then we subtract 1, and that is going to equal p. So we've got negative numbers here, so minus 6, and then we take away 1, well, we're going to end up with minus 7, and that's equal to p. So that is the answer. That is fine to write it like that, or you can also write it this way with p on the left hand side. P is equal to minus 7.